What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? Let me put my earrings on first before we start. What's up, guys? Welcome back. I am TonyaNicole. For all you people that don't know, how y'all doing, boo? I'm doing wonderful today. I'm still a little bloated and crampy, but guess what? We're gonna get on through this video very quickly. Today, if y'all can see, I'm still wearing the makeup from my BoxyCharm base box unboxing, and I am definitely feeling like Elvira-esque. I'm just feeling so beautiful and dark, and oh, I'm feeling so sexy today, y'all. Today on the platter, we have Glitz Glam box or a bag. I'm gonna start calling bag because this ain't no box no more. Yes, boo, we just got this in. I'm excited to unbox it. So if you guys want to see what's in my January Glitz Glam box bag, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, guys, what's going on with y'all today? I'm just chilling, y'all, just laid back, having a good time, and getting ready to talk to my YouTube friends in the comments down below, which, by the way, I don't think I mentioned this. Do y'all know that it is absolutely free to subscribe to me? Did y'all know that? No? Well, I'm just going to tell you a little secret. It's free. All you have to do is, it should be in this corner or this corner. I don't know which corner. You press that and you hit that red subscribe button, and boom, there you go. You signed up to be a part of my bomb ass subscriber squad, boo. And then you hop on over after this video to Instagram and follow me there too. All of those links are down below, just in case you wanted to and you was thinking about it. You know, if you're watching me anyway, you might as well subscribe to me, right? Yes, I love having you. Anyway, guys, I want to give a big shout out to my first 5 commenters on my last video. You know, I'm going to plaster your name right here. Thank you guys so much for being my first 5 commenters. I'm going to take a little drink to that. Today we have Glitz Glam box. I'm very excited to get this box and get it opened so that you guys can see what we have in store for this month. We have one more month with Glitz Glam, and I'm gonna see if I'm gonna keep them around or not. I'm not sure yet, guys. I'm still on the fence about Glitz Glam. The last couple months have been good though, so we'll see. For you guys that do not know, Glitz Glam box is a $15 per month beauty subscription plus $2.99 shipping each month. You get 1 glitter product, 1 pair of lashes, and 2 full-size beauty products, all for $15, well, $17.99 each month. I will put their link down below. I do not have a code for this company, guys. So yeah, let's get on into this bag, boo, and see what we got this month. It is in this pretty pink bag this month, and I love it. Oh, we have 2 separate products. We have this and this. Oh, okay. Every month they do send a card, which I do love, and it says on the front here, new in 2020, monthly double the glam and double the lashes. Need more lashes? Want more Glitz Glam box variation? Head to glitzglam.com and order double the glam and double the lashes. This is what the front of the card looks like. And on the back here, it gives us all of the products plus the prices of each product in the box. And y'all know we're going to put them down below. Do a grand total towards the end. And let's go, boo, because we ready to party. Ooh. Okay, guys, so we're going to pick this little thing up first. And it has Glitz Glam box. We don't do basic on it. And we're going to rip this baby open. Alrighty. Okay. First thing on top I see from NICKA Cosmetics. This is the Lip Shine Lip Gloss in the shade Cherry. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys, right here. I'm not going to open this up because I'm going to put this in a giveaway or give it to my little niece. But I don't know. Okay, this is a lip gloss, Lip Shine and Cherry. It just looks like something I would get out of the hair store. I don't know. Let's see what this Lip Shine retails for. And this is the NICKA, N-I-C-K-A, K lip gloss, and it retails for $5. I could believe that. Up next out of the box, we have, this is one thing that I do wish Glitz Glam box did. I do wish that they would ask you in like a quick little profile about lashes and glitter and stuff, if you actually, what type of lashes you want, or give you an option to choose. because I find that, you know, sometimes they do get it with me, like the nice, pretty full lashes that y'all know I like to wear. But then sometimes they put these super cheap, childish looking lashes in. And I don't know. Now, some people will like these lashes, but these are just definitely not TonyaNicole style. So I do wish that since they do offer, you know, one lash each month, that they would at least ask you what type of lash you want so that they can give you something that you can use. So that's what I'll say about that. But these are the JLASH, is it called JLASH? JLASH Glam Wispy Lashes plus a lash glue. So that is cute. And these are what the lashes look like. They are very natural, very, oh God, they just look so, I don't know, y'all. These are very natural. These are perfect for beginners. Definitely not TonyaNicole. They do have a little glue in it that is very cute. I do like the glue. I will be putting this in a giveaway or giving this to my little niece to play with, to practice with when she does her dancing, but I don't like them. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm gonna be very honest with you guys. I do not care for this style of lash. So this is the JLASH Glam Wispy Lashes plus glue, and it retails for $3. Now that's with lashes and glue, $3. So it's $1.50 each. Next up in the box, we have the Glitter All Day Set. It's a glitter and a primer from Absolute New York. And this is what the packaging is looking like, guys. We have the shade Grapevine. I'm glad that they at least included like a glitter and a glue. So that's cute. Y'all do know that I do not use any loose glitter. So I will be putting this in a giveaway for you guys. That's what it looks like there. A little glitter product here, this grapevine color. Let me back up so y'all can see it. That color there with the little glitz and glitter primer. So that's cute. But let's see what this retails for. And this is the Glitter Kit Glitter and Glue from Absolute, and it retails for $6. And last up in the box, we have this La Beauté Soy Ensemble. It is a pro makeup brush collection, a 10-piece, and it's cruelty free. And this is what the box looks like. And I did get to choose this product. They did send us an email for us to choose this, and y'all know I love purple. Purple and black are my favorite colors, so I chose the purple one. And it's a 10-piece brush set, so let's open it. The packaging is gorgeous, guys. It is gorgeous. That is beautiful. I love anything sequenced and shiny, purple. It comes with two little hooks to button it like that. And look at the inside. Now this is pretty. I love this. I absolutely like this. So these are the brushes when you open them up. I am going to, let me touch, ooh, I don't want to touch them because if I give them to someone, I don't know if they're gonna want the one, I'll just take the one that I touched out. I want you guys to see the handle. It's like a wooden handle. I haven't heard of this brand before, but this is what the brush looks like right here. And it does feel a little stiff, a little synthetic-y. It feels very stiff, guys. So I guess it would be a good blender brush, but the bristles really don't move a whole lot. I don't know. Without touching all of the brushes or using them, I cannot say, you know, if it's a good set or not. But this one little brush that I did touch, it's kind of hard. It's a little stiff, but the concept is beautiful. The beautiful case, you get 10 brushes. I do love that. So yes, guys, this is beautiful. Let's see what this retails for. And this is the 10-piece brush set from La Beauté Soy, and it retails for $27. And you could either pick the Snow White or the Ultraviolet, and that's the one that I have. So that was my final product in this month's box. Let's do a quick recap. We'll do final thoughts and we'll be done. So we received this brush set here, 10-piece brush set. We also received from Glitter All Day from Absolute. We received the glitter and primer set here. We received from JLASH these eyelashes and eyelash glue here. And last but not least, this lip shine from NK Cosmetics. 4 products for this month. Final thoughts on this box for this month. Now, the last 2 months, I have really been loving Glitz Glam box. I will say that this is my own personal opinion, guys, and you all may love this box, but this month I was not feeling this box at all. Like, no. The only thing that I am happy about is that we have a 10-piece brush set. Oh, and when you look, when you do like that, it turns like this pretty pink fuchsia color. And then, so that's cute. I do like the fact that they gave you a whole 10-piece brush set in a $15 subscription. They say it's worth $27. I don't know because I just touched one and that one was stiff. But I am happy for this product. I really am. However, the Glitter All Day Primer. Now, knowing that I subscribe to Glitz Glam, I do know that they put a glitter product in the box every month. Even though I don't like the glitter products, I give them away. I don't mind them. So this is not really an issue for me. This is okay because I could probably use the primer out of here. But these two products here, these are like so I don't like these products at all. I think that I can get this out of a hair store. It feels very, you know, I just think that these two products they could have done without. I just wish that with Glitz Glam, since they do include a lash in every month, I wish that they would ask you what type of lashes you like and that they would cater to you as far as that part. Because I get a lot of lashes from Glitz Glam that I put in giveaways because I don't like a natural look, and this is just a real, like, really childish for me. But a natural lash person and a beginner would love these lashes, but for me, these won't work, and I hate this. Like, I don't like a lip shine. It's just very childish. I don't know. I told y'all before that I think Glitz Glam is geared toward a younger crowd, and that is fine. And I do have some young followers that are subscribed to my channel, so I don't mind unboxing it, but I just wasn't feeling this box for this month. I really wasn't. If it wasn't for the brush set, I would be throwing it to the damn fire. So just letting y'all know. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it to the damn fire, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to give Glitz Glam box for the month of January a whopping 1.4. Well, I'm going to give them a 2 for the brushes. The rest of the products, I'm just not feeling it. Now, I know, like I said, this is my own opinion. I'm not talking bad about the company or anything, but I just was not feeling this month's box. I do think they need to personalize their lashes to, you know, their subscribers. I really do. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought about this month's box. Let me know if you're subscribed to them and how do you feel about your box. And I'm not being hard, guys. I'm just saying, you know, I'm just not feeling the box this month. That's all. So that's all that I have. Again, if you have not subscribed to the TonyaNicole experience, you're missing out. You need to go on and subscribe. I told you guys it was free to do so. Also follow me on Instagram because I'm doing a lot of uploading on Instagram. I also keep you guys posted on a lot of things that's coming up. And I'm doing some giveaways on Instagram. All of those links will be down below. And that's all. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Let me know what you think about this month. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if I could. They have been doing good. And this has been the first month that I've really not been feeling the box. But, you know, just let me know what you guys think. That's all I want to know. So, guys, until next time, next video, I love you all so much. I will see you in the comments and in my next video. Bye.